1. Incredible diversity. There are more than 7,000 species of frogs worldwide, from tiny species like the 8 mm miniature Brazilian frog, to giants like the 30 cm Goliath frog. 2. Frogs versus toads. Frogs have soft, moist skin and long legs for jumping, but toads have dry, rough skin and shorter legs and walk more. 3. Colorful poisonous frogs. Poisonous frogs, like the poison dart frog, are very brightly colored to discourage predators from eating them. The poison of some of them is deadly to humans. 4. Unprotected eggs. Frogs lay their eggs in water and do not protect them. Only a small number of eggs develop into adult frogs. 5. Amazing metamorphosis. Frogs go through a metamorphosis life cycle, a transformation from a tadpole to an adult. This change includes losing their tail and growing legs. 6. Long jumps. Some frogs can jump up to 20 times their body length, like the tree frog. 7. Sticky and fast tongue. Frogs use their sticky and very fast tongue to catch insects, which they launch at their prey in a fraction of a second. 8. Breathing through the skin. Frogs can breathe through their moist skin. This feature helps them survive even underwater. 9. Transparent frogs. The glass frog has transparent skin, so its internal organs are visible from the outside. 10. Killer frogs. The bullfrog has teeth and can even hunt snakes and other frogs. 11. Flying frogs. In Southeast Asia, there are flying frogs that use the webs between their toes to jump from tree to tree. 12. Hibernation in extreme cold. The wood frog freezes in the winter and comes back to life when the weather warms up. 13. Frogs and myths. In some cultures, the frog is a symbol of good luck, but in others, a symbol of bad luck. 14. Making loud sounds. Male frogs make loud sounds to attract females. Some sounds can be heard from a kilometer away. 15. Frogs in danger. Many frog species are at risk of extinction due to pollution, climate change, and habitat loss.